At Lash Atelier, we believe everyone can and should live in lashes. Our mission is to make lash application quick and simple in 3 easy steps. Carefully remove the lashes from the tray. The best way to do this without damaging the lashes is to use tweezers lifting from the band. Never pull from the hair. Gently toggle the band to loosen it. This creates more flexibility in the band, which makes applying the lash easier and quicker, forming to your eye shape. First step is to measure the lashes, placing it over your real lashes. Make note of anything that hangs past where the real lashes stop at the outer corner. It's where you'll want to trim. Now that it's perfectly trimmed, next step is to apply the glue. Take a lash adhesive and apply a thin coat across the entire lash band. Now comes the fun part, getting those lashes on. Wait about 30 seconds and let the glue get tacky. Once the glue is tacky, hold the lash in the middle and place the lash on top of the lash line, getting it as close to the natural lash as possible. Use the tweezer side to adjust the inner and outer corners of the lash band to get them perfectly lined up. We're almost there. Use the other end of the tweezer to blend the real lashes with the false lashes. And there you have it. 3 quick and easy steps to perfectly apply Lash Atelier.